Running a Shopify store without testing is like driving with your eyes closed. You can keep moving forward, but you're guessing at every turn. And in e-commerce, guessing costs you money. Think about it. How many times have you wondered, would a shorter product description perform better than the long one I'm using now? Or what if my call to action button was brighter or my shipping threshold was different? Or maybe would showing lifestyle images instead of studio shots actually increase sales? Without testing, you don't really know, you just hope. And that's why A/B testing is one of the most powerful tools in e-commerce. It takes the guesswork out and replaces it with hard data. Instead of arguing about design and layouts, you run variants, split the traffic, and let the numbers tell you the truth. So in this video, we're covering the top Shopify A/B testing apps that can help you do exactly that. First up is Shogun A/B testing. Shogun makes it easy to run meaningful experiments without touching code. So here's how it works. Decide what test you want to run. Testing a site-wide element like a 20% off flash sale banner will require a theme test. Meanwhile, template tests are ideal for experimenting with different layouts across all your product pages. Next, you'll create your variants directly within the Shopify editor. Whatever you're testing, make those changes. It's really easy since you'll be using the Shopify editor that you're already familiar with. Once you're done creating the variant, you'll set a clear test goal. With Shogun, you can track conversions to see which version closes more sales, click-throughs to measure engagement deeper into the funnel, add to cart actions to optimize product pages, form submissions for lead capture pages, revenue per visitor so you know if a variation is actually more profitable, average order value to see which design drives bigger baskets, or even custom events you define yourself. The next step is to set up your audience targeting. With Shogun, you can decide exactly who sees your test. Maybe you want to test a bold new design only for mobile visitors before rolling it out everywhere. Or maybe you want to show a different free shipping message to returning versus first-time site visitors. Segmentation options include desktop versus mobile, logged in versus logged out customers, new versus returning customers, location, and more. This level of control means your experiments aren't one size fits all. You're tailoring them to specific groups of customers. So, if you want an A/B testing app that's powerful, simple, and designed specifically for Shopify merchants, Shogun A/B testing is a strong option to consider. Another well-known option in the Shopify ecosystem is Intelligems. Intelligems allows you to experiment with things like pricing strategies, discount levels, bundle offers, or shipping thresholds to see how they affect conversion rates and profitability. Intelligems also offers audience segmentation so you can deliver different versions to shoppers based on factors like geography, device type, or customer status. Next up is Shoplift. Shoplift's feature set includes template, theme, and URL split testing, audience segmentation, reporting, integration with GA4, and more. Shoplift is natively integrated with Shopify and can be found in the Shopify App Store if you want to learn more. Another tool in the Shopify ecosystem is Visually. Visually is an A/B testing tool which also includes post-purchase upsells, personalization, and behavioral targeting. Visually also integrates with a lot of well-known tools in the Shopify ecosystem. Find Visually on the Shopify App Store to learn more. Finally, there's A/B Convert. It covers the essentials of A/B testing. You can test product detail pages, pricing, experiment with checkout offers, or compare different shipping messages, like free shipping thresholds. Also included is an analytics dashboard to monitor results with real-time reporting. A/B Convert is native to Shopify and can be found on the App Store. So, those are 5 A/B testing apps available for Shopify for you to consider. Check the description below. We've included a link to Shogun A/B testing so you can learn more about our own offering here at Shogun. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on how to optimize your storefront and move your brand forward. I'll see you in the next video.